Become the king or queen of your design with Update 2.120. The first new feature of Update 2.120 is text effects. Found on the Items tab in the library, text effects adds a new way to showcase your design elements. Once inserted, we can edit the text in the panel menu and choose from several display options as well. We can see these best demonstrated in 3D. The text effects will appear as a bubble when selected, similar to the sound feature. Moving inside of the bubble will display the text on the screen. The size of the text sphere can be adjusted in the panel or with the scale tool. We can have the text display as a 3D location in the project or in a specific location on the screen. The 3D location option will display the text where the center of the bubble is placed. It's perfect for showing off specific design elements like a water feature, negative edge, or outdoor kitchen. The screen setting will display the text in a specific section of the screen while inside the bubble. Add a custom watermark to your project. Mark the various areas of your project as you move through it, and welcome your client to the project when you begin your presentation. We can adjust the appearance of the text, including the font type, style, and size, as well as the font color as well. We can add an outline and adjust the thickness of the text, display a border around the text, and add or remove a drop shadow as well. Once you've recorded videos with the new text effects feature, it's easier than ever to access your media. The home screen now has immediate access to your screenshots and video, and the new Media Viewer button is a fast way to share your work. Gallons can now be calculated for pools under Object Properties. Along with square feet and perimeter, we can find the gallons of the currently selected pool shape. Steps and benches are automatically reduced from that total. GIS sees several improvements. First, a refreshed search system will give further details on some search results, and don't forget that we can get latitude and longitude from online maps like Google Maps and use those to specify the focal point of the search, perfect for larger properties. Terrain data is now automatically adjusted to be closer to 0 in new projects as well. In this example, the terrain has been adjusted from 26 feet to just below 0 feet. Several improvements can be found in page layout. First, the 2D view can be rotated with the Rotate tool, allowing us to show the project facing a new direction. When printing in page layout, we can now choose to print multiple pages as well. Choose to print all the pages, or a specific series of pages. Imported AutoCAD files will now remain linked to the project even after it's closed. If the source CAD file is altered, renamed, or moved, it will need to be imported again. When the file is re-imported, it will now load in the same position as when it was initially loaded. Working smarter means working faster. The software will now automatically select the Font tab when a text guide is selected, and the Object tab when a shape or item is selected. You can still switch between them manually as well. 3D images can now be rotated in all directions. With the Rotate tool, we can now use images to create new details in our project, such as tile mosaics on the pool floor. Background images now have an adjustable opacity. Use the slider under the Background tab to adjust the opacity, perfect for projects with both a background and GIS data. Several new keyboard shortcuts have been added. While holding down the Shift key on the keyboard, World Angle will be activated to ensure our lines are kept straight. We can now quickly open and close the library with Ctrl-L. And finally, we can toggle between no measurements and selected measurements under Hide on Hide using Ctrl-M. The Materials stage sees 20 new travertine options and 2 updated materials, all found in the Stone category. The Furniture category sees the addition of 4 new decorative outdoor rugs. Many existing lights have been updated with new high-quality models and lighting. The New Items tab is no longer found in the library, but you can find all the new additions by viewing categories with the green exclamation points. You can both clear all the exclamation points and reset them on the Interface tab in Configuration. Over 50 other bug fixes and improvements are included in the update as well, including sound staying muted after leaving the software and font size while drawing lines and arcs. For a full list of fixes and improvements, make sure to read the full blog post. Thanks for watching. Please send any questions, comments, or concerns to support@structurestudios.com, call 800-778-8996, and visit us at structurestudios.com.